In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a hatch that is not applying to a closed boundary in AutoCAD. The hatch command is one of the most useful tools in AutoCAD because it allows you to fill enclosed areas with patterns, solid fills, and material representations. Hatches help make drawings easier to read and provide important visual information about different parts of a design. However, there may be times when you try to apply a hatch to an area that appears completely closed, but AutoCAD refuses to create the hatch. This can be frustrating, especially when the boundary looks correct at first glance. In many cases, the boundary is not actually closed, even though it appears that way on screen. Small gaps, overlapping objects, or disconnected endpoints can prevent AutoCAD from detecting a valid hatch area. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of simple methods to identify the problem and successfully apply hatches to your drawing. So let's get started. The first method is to inspect the boundary for gaps. Zoom in closely around the area where you want to create the hatch. Look carefully at the corners and connection points between lines, arcs, or polylines. Even a tiny gap can prevent AutoCAD from recognizing the area as a closed boundary. If you find a gap, move, extend, or reconnect the objects until they touch properly. Once the boundary is fully enclosed, try the hatch command again. If the hatch still doesn't apply, convert the boundary into a polyline. Select the objects and use the Join option to create one continuous boundary. A single closed polyline is often easier for AutoCAD to recognize than multiple separate objects. After creating the polyline, run the hatch command again and select the enclosed area. In most situations, these methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, zoom in and inspect the boundary for small gaps or disconnected endpoints. Second, repair any gaps and ensure all objects connect properly. And third, create a closed polyline whenever possible to provide a cleaner hatch boundary. Remember that AutoCAD can only create a hatch when it detects a completely enclosed area. Even the smallest opening can prevent the command from working correctly. Taking a few moments to inspect and clean up boundary geometry can save a lot of time when troubleshooting hatch issues. Using closed polylines whenever possible can also improve drawing quality and make future editing tasks much easier. This is a simple problem, but it's one of the most common reasons why hatches fail to apply in AutoCAD. And that's how to fix a hatch that is not applying to a closed boundary in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.